The 2026 Honda Gold Wing GCT Trike arrives as an evolution of Honda's flagship touring platform, bringing added stability and comfort to riders who want long-distance luxury without managing two wheels. It maintains the familiar Gold Wing DNA, smoothness, refinement, and technology, while expanding accessibility for a wider range of touring enthusiasts. At first glance, the GCT Trike looks imposing yet elegant. Honda's design team has reshaped the rear fenders and widened the stance to maintain visual balance with the large front fairing. The integration of the Trike conversion hardware feels seamless, giving it a factory-built appearance instead of an aftermarket add-on. Power comes from Honda's signature 1833cc flat-six engine. For 2026, small refinements in fuel mapping and cooling efficiency make the engine even smoother. Throttle response feels direct but not abrupt, which suits long-distance touring perfectly. The engine maintains its reputation for quiet, turbine-like performance. The GCT Trike's automatic DCT transmission continues to impress. Shifts are crisp but unobtrusive, allowing riders to focus on the experience rather than gear changes. Manual mode remains available for those who prefer more control, but most riders will appreciate the reliability of the fully automatic setting. Handling is one of the most notable improvements. The independent rear suspension, retuned for 2026, absorbs bumps better and reduces body roll through turns. The wider rear track enhances stability at all speeds, especially during highway cruising or when encountering crosswinds. Despite its size, the Trike feels surprisingly nimble at low speeds. Honda has refined the steering geometry to reduce heaviness at the bars, making parking lot maneuvers more manageable. The reverse function and walking modes continue to be invaluable on steep inclines or tight spaces. Braking has also received attention. The combined ABS system provides confident stopping power, with improved modulation that prevents abruptness when the Trike is fully loaded. The rear wheels share braking duties more evenly, providing a balanced and predictable feel. The seat remains one of the most comfortable in the touring segment. For 2026, Honda has updated the cushioning to better distribute weight, helping riders stay comfortable on multi-hour journeys. The passenger seat is equally plush, maintaining Honda's reputation for two-up touring excellence. Wind protection is exceptional. The adjustable windshield moves smoothly through a wide range of positions, allowing riders to tailor airflow to conditions. Side deflectors channel air around the cabin, reducing turbulence for both rider and passenger. Technology remains a strong suit of the Gold Wing lineup. The 2026 GCT features an updated infotainment system with quicker menu navigation and more responsive touch controls. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, with improved wireless connectivity and faster device pairing. The built-in navigation system benefits from clearer graphics and improved voice prompts. Its real-time traffic and weather integration help riders plan routes efficiently, which is especially useful on long tours. Audio quality receives a boost thanks to revised speaker placement and higher fidelity output. Even at highway speeds, music remains clear without distortion, adding to the premium touring atmosphere. Storage capacity is generous, with a spacious trunk and saddlebags offering enough room for a multi-day trip. The rear trunk opens smoothly and includes interior lighting for convenience at night or during roadside stops. Fuel economy, while not drastically changed, shows slight improvements due to updated engine tuning. Long-range touring remains one of the Trike's strengths, with many riders easily covering large distances between stops. One highlight for 2026 is improved rider ergonomics. The handlebar shape and switchgear layout have been optimized for easier reach and reduced wrist fatigue. Honda's attention to rider comfort shows in every detail. The Trike's stability inspires confidence for riders who may have physical limitations or prefer a three-wheel platform for peace of mind. Its predictable handling and planted stance make it approachable for newcomers to triking without sacrificing performance. The 2026 GCT's lighting system features brighter LED headlights and enhanced cornering lights that illuminate more of the road during nighttime rides. Visibility is excellent, contributing to safety and comfort. Ride quality remains impressively smooth, thanks in part to refined suspension components and improved damping. Even on uneven pavement, the Trike absorbs imperfections without harsh jolts. Honda has also improved heat management around the rider's cockpit. Better ventilation reduces engine warmth around the legs, particularly helpful in hot climates or during slow traffic. The fit and finish are superb. Materials feel premium, panels fit tightly, and the chrome accents have a deep, polished look. Honda's legendary build quality is evident throughout the machine. Overall, the 2026 Honda Gold Wing GCT Trike enhances the touring experience by blending stability, comfort, technology, and style. It remains one of the most refined and enjoyable ways to travel long distances on three wheels. For riders seeking the smoothness of a Gold Wing with the added confidence of a trike platform, the GCT stands out as an exceptional choice for both weekend getaways and cross-country adventures.